Good evening. It's Professor K. I am sorry I haven't seen you in a while, so I just wanted to send you guys a video just to kind of remind you of what we're up to and tell you that we are going to have class tomorrow. So I'll see you then. It is an in-person class. We're going to meet tomorrow and Thursday. And I just want to show you some of the changes that I made in the course so that you can see them visually. The first thing is that we're reading Prosody, the Mary Oliver book, and we're going to read up to page 105 this week. So if you're able to do that, that would be a good thing to do. Also, I am asking you to choose a collection of poetry. So you're going to find a writer that you're interested in, and you'll locate a chapbook or a short collection, 40 pages or so, 25 to 40 pages or so, and you'll write a short paper about that writer, just like we did with the story last time. So we'll be going over the new calendar. So let me just show you some changes that I made here. So this is our announcements. If you go into your assignments, you can see there's the book review. That's you've read the location, you've read a collection. There's the vocabulary assignment. There's the extra credit assignment for the song lyrics. In a minute, I'm going to be putting up the checklist for the portfolio number 2. Portfolio number 2 is due November 8th, so we have a little bit of time. So let's just look at the schedule here. Notice that I have changed some things. This is all in green because this is what we've already done. So this is all finished. And then here's this week, right? So tomorrow we're going to talk about prosody, and as it says, read up to page 50. Then next class we're going to go up to page 83, and the following will be the end of her sections on prosody. Then we have the collection in the back. So tomorrow we're going to talk a little bit about meter and rhyme. After that, I want you to bring this book to class again on Thursday so that we can look at some poems and we can think about the collection or a poem that you might want to do a close reading of. Then we might get started on the Poetry is Not a Luxury. So there's a link for it here. And just notice that a week from tomorrow, we're going to have this observation. So there'll be somebody in our classroom that is not a student. Okay, so that's the changes in the calendar. So you guys can check that out. And then I'm just going to go up here again and show you here where it says readings, links. This also has the Audre Lorde thing, and you'll notice here it says we'll have a discussion about this essay on the 25th. If you lead the class discussion, if you're one of the group leaders, you'll get 10 points of extra credit points, and for every question that you ask, you'll get 5 points. So students can earn up to 30 points for that day. So that's a big day to come to class. I think that's it. Okay. So I will see you tomorrow. Once again, the course schedule is slightly changed, and this is our plan for tomorrow. And the next, let's say the next 3 classes right there. Okay, so don't forget to show up tomorrow, and I hope you're feeling well, and I hope you had a great weekend, and wear a sweater. It's going to get cool again. And I will see you in class. Bye.